Um, hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix on this LG TV the issue where you're unable to browse. Now of course, if you're unable to connect anything to the internet, meaning that you have connected the TV to the Wi-Fi and it does have internet but you're unable to browse, meaning you can't access anything internet related despite you have successfully connected to the internet, and of course the internet is working fine as all your other devices are working. Now if your TV was off for a very long time, such as you have been on vacation, maybe there was something happening like a natural disaster or something where the TV was off like for 2-3 weeks, sometimes what has happened is that the TV itself has lost its internal memory, especially if it's been off for a significant amount of time. So I'm going to show you to go ahead and deal with the issue of fixing the problem where you're unable to get to connect to the internet. All right, so first you're gonna do is go to your settings. So go ahead guys, this is the remote. You can use the settings option, so you can click. All right, so once the setting menu is up, go ahead and go to that three dots, which is the second to last icon, which is on your left, that you can see the context menu. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and select this one here that says all settings. Should be in this menu here. Go to general. Once you're on general guys, go ahead and select system, which is this option right here. So go ahead and select that. Once system is selected, you can go ahead and go over and select the time and timer option. All right, so from here you can see the time and timer option. This is this one right here. So go ahead and select. All right, so you're in the time option now. Of course, what you gotta go here is either set the time to automatically connect. However, if you see set automatically is highlighted. Now the trick here is that if you cannot browse, you need to manually set this. So go ahead and uncheck set automatically. There should be a green check mark. So the TV is unable to connect to the time servers, as they usually, if they don't match, you cannot browse. So go ahead and uncheck as mine is seen here. You're gonna set the time to your local time. You're gonna set the date, which is the key one, date and time. And once you do these, like the zones and so on, doesn't really matter. You can basically place anything there, minus if you really need to be in the right time zone. So of course, go ahead and set those. Once you do, what's gonna happen is that you can exit. So we're gonna go ahead and exit. And of course, once you exit, guys, you can go ahead and use any of your apps, and they should be browsing and working as they normally would, which is what I've found with this error. Do hope this fix helped as to your TV not connecting to, or not browsing, or not connecting to the internet. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.